This
Buddy.
is a spoiled dog.
Buddy.
Bobo, are you spoiled? Bobo,
Buddy.
Bobo, are you on the fellows?
Buddy.
Bobo, buddy. He know I'll be on. Buddy, are you on fellows?
Now my Bobo.
You got consent? Take your hands off me. I know my rights.
That's the bird.
Call my lawyer.
You talking to us?
Feathers up, okay?
Oh, I noticed. All these
Do you
product
realize
videos
how many noise
are
complaints
just
we've had about
knives
you?
with hands.
Noise complaints? Sorry, I didn't know honesty was that
What the
loud.
heck
Watch your
going on
mouth.
now?
I could fine you for disrespect.
Find me? You
Right?
can't even find
Hold
your
on,
car
wait a
keys,
sec.
officer.
So